Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. I should just say hello, welcome to the world of Melanie's unboxing videos, because it seems like all my videos are unboxing. Subscription boxes are just taking over my life and I'm not mad at it, so I hope you guys don't mind it either, because I just love unboxing. I just love creating looks for you guys and showing you products. For today's video, we are unboxing our December LASHYBOX. Really excited. This is what we have. We have, I believe, 4 lashes in here, so I'm really excited. So I'm really excited to show you guys all the lashes in here. So you guys, I think this will be my last video of this year. I'm so excited for what is in store for me for 2020. I think it's gonna be a good year for us, so I'm really looking forward to it. So if you guys are as excited as I am for 2020, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on the notification so you guys don't miss out on any of my next year upload. So if you guys want to see my December LASHYBOX, then just keep on watching. If you guys are not familiar with LASHYBOX, it is a lash subscription. They do have a few different subscriptions that you can pick it, but the one that I have is $13.99 plus shipping, and they do send out I believe like 4 to 5 lashes, and then they also put in some beauty and makeup products in there. You know, the beauty products, makeup products is really not what I'm after with this box, you know, so that's going to be in a future giveaway. So this is $13, $13.99 a month plus shipping. So you guys just check it out in the description below. All the info that you'll need to know is going to be in there. I will link their site, their Instagram, so you guys can, you know, kind of research it for yourself. Also, you can watch the video that I did, my first video. I really do go into details about this, you know, this subscription. I always do that with my first video, so hopefully you guys check that out. Let's talk about the products that I'm not gonna be using today. So this one right here is a cloth. This is a cloth makeup remover, so this is something that you can reuse, and you can probably just toss this in a wash, or you can just hand clean it, hand wash it, and you're good to go. So this is going to be in a future giveaway. So there's 2 in here, 2 different colors, so we're not going to open this. And the next thing in here is, what is this? It says from Jacky, Luvv. This is a premium liquid eyeshadow. Maybe this is something that we can use today. I think I'm going to use this one today, because this is a liquid eyeshadow and we don't have any shimmer on the eyes beside our highlighter, so maybe we'll get a use out of this today. Yeah, so this is in the shade Money Maker. Well, let's see what the shade is first, because if it's something cray and doesn't match our eyes, then I will definitely just pass it on and put it in the giveaway. So let's go ahead and see what the shade is. Oh, okay, I think it is good, you guys. I think we can use this today. So this is in the shade Money Maker. Packaging is really cute. Love the frosted packaging. So I'm gonna put this on just the inner part of our lid, just give us a little bit of bling bling on our eyes. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Oh, that is really pretty, you guys. You can use this on so many eye look. We're gonna stop right there, but that is so pretty, you guys. Can you see that? Wow. Okay, so this definitely is a keeper. Sorry guys, I have to keep this one, because this one is something that I can definitely use with a lot of looks. So I'm just gonna briefly talk about them, show you the lashes, we'll try it on. So all the details about these lashes, if I can find them, it's gonna be in the description below. I'll try to find the prices for them. Sometimes when I go on their site, I can't really find the prices for them, so I'll try my best. The first lashes that we're going to try is Zola lashes. This is a premium 3D mink lashes. It says that you can use this up to 30 times with proper care. That's with any lashes. If you take care of your lashes, they will definitely be good to you guys. So this one right here is pretty long. I'm really excited to try this. Let's take it out of the box so you guys can see the full glory of this lashes. Look at this. Ain't she beauty? This is in the style Mia. So these lashes are long all the way around. They do not have different length on them, so it's long from one end to the next. The band is not too thin, it's not too thick, it is bendable, so it's really nice. And I don't need to cut them, but I should. But I think because I'm just trying them, I'm not going to. I forgot to mention that they did put a eyelash glue in here. It says that this is a natural rubber latex glue. So I think I'm gonna try this and see what it's all about. Wow, she definitely makes you feel some type of way. I don't usually gravitate towards lashes that are like long all the way around, but oh my goodness, this one is just, it's melting my heart. Oh my goodness. So I had to use my own glue because it was lifting a little bit on the corner. I don't know if I waited long enough or anything like that, but I had to use my own glue. This is my go-to glue, you guys. I would have, you know, used this anyways with my other lashes. So oh my goodness, so far this is my favorite. I know I haven't tried other ones, but okay, let's move on. No, I don't want to take it off, but let's move on. You guys, that is gonna be a hard one to top, but let's go ahead and move on to the next lashes. This one is from Venusgale Cosmetics. So this is the second pair from this company that I'm gonna be trying. There's no style, but this is the one right here. Let me take it out of the box so we can inspect it and see what it's all about. This is the lashes that you wear that, you know, I'm wearing the no lashes. Doesn't that even exist? But this is the lashes that are not too much. It is just enough to give you that that we're looking for with our lashes. So let's go ahead and try her on. So the hair on the first one is a bit softer than this one right here, but it's still pretty good. It's still pretty soft, and the band is pretty soft as well. So the band on this one is thinner than the first one that I tried. So let's see, this one is, let's see, can you guys see? So this one has a shorter end, and then it looks like it's longer in the middle. It seems like all the lashes that I have so far anyways is okay in length with my eyes, so I'm gonna pop them on. So this one is pretty nice, you guys. It's definitely something for you guys out there who doesn't want to wear the lashes that I, you know, tried on earlier, but this is really nice. It's very natural looking. I like the long in the middle, and then you have the short ends. I really like it. I really like this style too, you guys. It's gonna be hard for me not to like these lashes, unless like the band is really hard to work with. Then I don't think I would really dislike these lashes. So I'm gonna put on the other one, you guys. I'm so excited. You guys, these ones are perfect fit for my eyes. It was so easy to put on. You know, you just lay it on your lash line. It's just it's so easy to maneuver. I'm really loving this style too, you guys. So what do you guys think about this one on me? I'm gonna save the dramatic one for last, but this one right here. This is in the style Fancy. So this is a 3D silk lashes, you guys. This is such a perfect gift for someone like me who loves lashes. It's such a cute packaging. So I mean, you can already see what it looks like. So this one looks like could be too long for my eyes. It looks like you have a little bit of longer length in the middle, and then you have a shorter ends on both ends. So you guys, this style right here has a big gap in between lashes that will give us a different look to our eyes or our lashes. Let's see if this is too long for our eyes. I think it's just a bit, no, it's okay. So we're not going to put any glue on this one because I think I applied too much glue on my lashes already, so I don't want to put too much, but they're staying, so let's not blink too much. I just did it. What? So this one is really nice too, you guys. The band is flexible, so I am good with that. Loving this style too, you guys. Like I said, I don't think I will say bad things about these lashes unless they are difficult to work with, or they won't stick to my eyes, or they won't bend. I'm really enjoying all these lashes, you guys, all these styles. I don't think I can pick one that I love because it just gives different look to your eyes with different style, different length. It's just lashes, you guys. It's just, you guys can tell that I love lashes. So what do you guys think about this one? So this is in Fancy, and this is from LASHYBOX. This is their own lashes. Okay, you guys, if you think the first lashes that we tried on is dramatic, you're in for a treat, because this last one, you guys, is just, that's a lot of hair, you guys. That's a lot of lashes right here. This is in the style Lacey. This is another 3D silk lashes. So this is from LASHYBOX as well. I think it's the same as the third one that we tried from them. It's just, it's a bit longer in the middle, and it's the same length on both ends. There's some pieces at the end that's just sticking out. You gotta cut that because it will definitely irritate your eyes. I think it's okay. Like I said, if it's okay enough in length, I'm not gonna cut it. Wow, holy lashes. Wow, can you feel the wind? Can you feel the wind? Wow. You guys, when I do wear this out, I will definitely have to cut it a little bit so it's not all the way into my inner corner, but you guys, I love it. I feel like if you are not really into lashes, or if you're not used to lashes, then this will definitely be overwhelming for you, but I love it, you guys. This lashes is so gorgeous. It is so lightweight. You would think that because it's so thick and it's so dramatic that it would be heavy on the eyes. It is not, you guys. I love every single pair that I have this month. You guys, keep it coming, LASHYBOX. I wish I had more to show you guys, but I enjoyed every single lashes, and also enjoyed that little moment that we added to our eyelid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. On the cards, you guys, please do pick the lashes that you like the most, and on the comment section let me know which lashes looks good on me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Everything that you need to know about the subscription is going to be in the description below. All the products that I have on my face is going to be down there as well. So thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.